Hello! Welcome back to the Generic Jude YouTube channel. In this video, you're gonna learn how to find your own brand ID if you are a Canva contributor.
Subscribe now.
First, let's search canva.com. Let's get in. There's a lot of suggested sizes here, but I prefer to use this one. Alright, there you go. Click Elements. Search your own specific keyword. Like for example, I have my personal account that I use for contributing in Canva, which is Jude. Click any of those elements that you are contributed in Canva and then click this I button here. Under this I button, you can see the view more by the name of the artist. Just click that. And you can see here in the search button your own brand ID. Alright, we're done. Now you know how to find your own brand ID in Canva as a Canva contributor. If you use your own brand ID, you can search the elements, photos, or whatever you contributed in Canva as a contributor. And I'm glad to share with you the elements that I created and the photos that I shoot a month ago. Perhaps maybe someone here needs them. Who knows if there's a suitable elements or photos for your next project? Please type Jude or type my brand ID that I will put in the description box below. Thank you. You can do the same process if you want to know the brand ID of your favorite artist in Canva or the elements that you want to use, and if you want to search more of the elements that was contributed by your favorite artist here. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video helps you a lot. Always remember that knowledge without actions is meaningless. So, don't forget to try and apply the things that you have learned in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification icon for you to be updated in my next video. Till the next tutorial, bye for now!